In this video I'm going to be engraving this design onto this cylindrical keepsake case which I made. I'm going to be using a 50-watt CO2 laser alongside a rotary attachment to do the engraving, and I'll be using Lightburn to create and send the design over to the laser. I'll put a link on screen to the build video for this keepsake case. If that's something you're interested in watching, then please head over and have a look at that video as well. Firstly, I needed to replace the pin bed with the rotary attachment. I then needed to lower the cut bed so that the laser head would not collide with it when moving. I then placed the workpiece onto the rollers and continued to lower the bed until the laser head was the correct distance from the piece. I have a stack of business cards which I use as a spacer, so if I move the bed up or down I can always get the material the right distance from the laser head. I then needed to set up Lightburn to use the rotary. You need to specify the diameter of the rollers as well as the diameter of the piece you're engraving. This helps to ensure that your design is dimensionally accurate when engraved. I then drew a 20 by 20 mm square in Lightburn and engraved it onto the piece using a very low power setting. I could then measure the box to make sure that everything was as it should be. Once I was happy that the rotary was set up correctly, I loaded in my design. I then set the power and speed. I decided on 120 mm a second and 50% power. This will result in a deep engraving as the speed is low and the power is high. I marked out the centre point on the piece and then moved the piece so that it was directly underneath the starting point of the laser. Once this was done, I could start the engraving. All that was left to do now was peel the tape, and then I could continue with the build of the keepsake case. And that wraps up this video. If you've enjoyed it and would like to see more weekly woodworking projects, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.